And welcome back to the channel. Today, we're re-diving into the fascinating world of one of nature's most incredible artists, the chameleon. We all know them for their amazing ability to change color, but how exactly do they do it? And is it really for camouflage? Let's find out. For a long time, the common belief was that chameleons changed color to blend in with their surroundings, like a real-life game of hide-and-seek. While it's true that their colors can help them camouflage, scientists have discovered that's not the main reason for their spectacular transformations. The real drivers are much more complex and emotional. Think of a chameleon's skin as a mood ring. Their color changes are a form of communication, a way to express their feelings to other chameleons. A dark or black chameleon might be feeling stressed, scared, or aggressive. A brightly colored one, on the other hand, could be showing off to attract a mate or trying to intimidate a rival. It's their way of saying, "Hey, I'm looking for love." Or back off, "This branch is mine." Besides mood and social signaling, their color also helps them regulate their body temperature. Since chameleons are cold-blooded, they rely on the sun for warmth. On a cool morning, a chameleon might turn a darker color to absorb more sunlight and heat up faster. When it gets too hot, it can switch to a lighter, more reflective color to cool down. It's like having a built-in thermostat. So, we know why they change color, but what's the mechanism behind this magic? For years, people thought chameleons had special pigment cells, similar to squid or octopus, that would expand or contract to show different colors. This process is called chromatophore dispersion. While they do have these pigment cells, called melanophores, for creating darker shades like brown and black, it's real. Secret to their vibrant rainbow of colors lies in something much more incredible. In 2015, a team of scientists made a groundbreaking discovery. They found that beneath the chameleon's outer layer of skin, there's a special layer of cells called iridophores. These cells contain tiny nanocrystal structures arranged in a lattice. The magic happens when the chameleon gets excited or agitated. It can actively tune the spacing between these crystals. Imagine a guitar string. When you tighten or loosen it, the sound pitch changes. It's a similar idea with these nanocrystals. When the chameleon is calm, the crystals are packed closely together, and they reflect shorter wavelengths of light, like blue and green. This is why many chameleons appear green when they're just chilling out. But when the chameleon gets excited, say, it sees a rival male, it stretches its skin. This increases the distance between the nanocrystals. This wider spacing causes the cells to reflect longer wavelengths of light, like yellow, orange, and red. So, that calm green chameleon can suddenly flash brilliant yellows and reds in a display of dominance. It's a physical, structural change happening in real time, which is just mind-blowing. And it doesn't stop there. Chameleons have a second, deeper layer of iridophore cells. These cells have larger, more disorganized crystals that are particularly good at reflecting near-infrared light from the sun. Scientists believe this layer acts as a passive heat shield, protecting the chameleon from overheating. It has an extra layer of thermal protection that works in tandem with the color-changing layer above it. So, to recap, chameleons don't just change color for camouflage. They do it to communicate their emotions, to attract mates, to defend their territory, and to regulate their body temperature. They achieve this not just by moving pigments around, but by physically rearranging crystal structures in their skin to reflect different wavelengths of light. It's an incredibly sophisticated system that combines biology, physics, and communication all in one. Nature is truly full of wonders, and the chameleon is a perfect example of its ingenuity. So, next time you see a chameleon, you'll know you're not just looking at a master of disguise, but a master communicator with a built-in mood ring and thermostat. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this as cool as I did, hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing science facts. Let me know in the comments what other incredible animal abilities you'd like to learn about. See you in the next video.